look up to, they have made more mistakes than you have, and that's the only way they got to where they are now.
So if anyone is on that downhill part of the roller coaster, I want you to know that there's a way through it. You get to write your own story. And that's the good thing about where you guys are right now. It's also kind of hard, but as long as you keep going, you get to design who you are and you get to design your life.
Suit up, armor on, hit the ground running. All the heads snap round when they hear me coming. Don't blink, you'll miss what I'm becoming. All eyes on me. All systems go, time to level up. I'll run this show, never giving up. You know I'm drip, drip, dripping luck. Just wait and see. You know when you hear my name, I don't stop till I'm in first place. It ain't a game, but you know